Hello everyone, my name is Kat and I am a dance teacher with YouDance.com. I am going to be your ballet dance teacher today and I am so excited. What is your name? This video that you are watching is your very own dance class for today. So make sure that you have your brain turned on, your ears wide open, and your feet ready to move. We are going to make and eat some pretend pizza in this ballet class. In ballet, we get to move our feet a lot and make shapes that look like all kinds of foods that we eat every single day. Do you like pizza? How about breadsticks? What's your favorite food? Today, we are going to learn the 5 positions for your feet in ballet. Can you count to 5? Will you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I hope you're hungry and ready to dance because we are going to have so much fun learning all 5 ballet positions today. At the end of our class, we are going to eat some pretend pizza. Before we eat our pizza, we'll need a few things. So during our lesson today, we are going to get a plate, a napkin, a cup, and a soda. By the end of our lesson, you will have all the things you need to eat some pretend pizza. Do you see that symbol on the screen? What does it look like? That's right, it's a plate. You just earned your first item for today. Now, let's go earn some more. Okay, everyone, now that we are excited to eat our pizza, let's get warm. Let's start by prancing our feet. Can you get really high up on your toes? Can you move from one foot to the other? Now let's roll out our ankles. Can you balance on one foot? Draw little circles with your big toe. It looks like you're drawing a grape. Now can you make those circles bigger? Now it looks like you're drawing an orange. Well, now we need to warm up the other foot. Find your balance on the other foot. We're going to start by drawing small circles with that big toe. Look, now you're drawing grapes with your other foot. Can you start to make those circles bigger? That's right. Now you are drawing oranges with your other foot too. We are going to get fancy now and try some zigzags. You're going to move your toes out and in, and as you do this, your feet are going to get farther apart. Do you want to try it with me? Toes go out and in, out and in. Stand up nice and tall. Now you can zigzag all the way back in, zig and zag, zig and zag. Good job. Let's do it one more time. Toes go out and in, out and in, and we've got to come back together. All right, good work, everyone. I think we are ready to learn our 5 ballet positions. And just like that, you earned a napkin. Here it is. Good job. We are going to start with learning our first position. Stand up tall and hug your feet close together. That looks great. Now, keep your heels kissing each other, but move your toes far away from each other, just like this. Look at that! You just made a pizza shape with your feet. Can we try it again? Let's put our feet back together. All right, now that they're in the middle, remember, we're gonna hug our heels together and take your toes far apart. What kind of pizza did you make? Was it a cheese pizza? Our pizza is our first position. Now, let's move on to second position. We are going to imagine our cheese pizza, but with so many toppings. If we want so many toppings, we need a bigger slice of pizza. To find our second position, let's open our feet out really big, like this. Keep your heels pointing in and your toes pointing out. How many toppings did you fit on your pizza? Should we try it again? Let's bring our feet back in. And let's add all of our toppings to our cheese pizza. That looks like some yummy pizza. Great job finding second position, everybody. Do you know what that means? That means we need to shake it out. Shake, 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 wiggle, and freeze. Good job. After 1 and 2 comes 3. Let's find our third position together. Sometimes when we have pizza, we also get to have breadsticks. I want you to imagine you have 2 breadsticks. Can you hold up 2 fingers with me? Good. Now let's imagine that our feet are breadsticks. We're going to take our breadsticks and put them together like this. And our breadsticks are making the letter T. Can you see that? Let's try it again. Shake out your feet, step together, and make the letter T. That's perfect. This is third position. You're doing so great. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth position is a fun one. We're going to start in our third position. Remember, our breadsticks make the letter T. Now that you have your T shape, I want you to imagine your breadsticks are cheesy breadsticks, and we are going to pull them apart and stretch that cheese. Do you want to try it with me? Find your third position just like this. Now, move your front foot forward just like this and stretch your cheese. That looks so good. Let's try it again. Bring your feet back together into third position. Make that T with your breadsticks. Good. Now let's stretch that cheese. Good work, everyone. There it is again. You know what that means. That means we need to shake it out. Shake, 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 wiggle, wiggle, and freeze. Good job. Our last position is a tough one, but I know that you can do it. Let's count to remember what our last position is. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. It's 5. We call it fifth position. For this position, we are going to squeeze our feet together like they are hugging. But we are going to imagine that we are making one giant breadstick with our feet. We are going to start in our last position. Remember number 4. We are going to squeeze our feet together just like this. Imagine that our feet are breadsticks and we're putting them together. Do you want to try it with me? Let's start in 4th position. Just like this with our feet apart. Then we squeeze them together by sliding them on the floor until those breadsticks are right next to each other. That's right. Let's try it one more time. Step out and squeeze those feet together to make fifth position. Good job making that giant breadstick. We earned another thing to use when we eat our pretend pizza. We just earned our cup. We are so close to being able to eat our pizza. Before we move on, let's review everything that we have learned today. We're going to go over all 5 positions one more time, then we're going to make a dance. Do you remember how to make first position? That's right, your cheese pizza. How about second position? Let's add our toppings. That looks great. What about our breadsticks? Third position looks like. Good job, everyone. Those breadsticks are in the shape of a T. Now, fourth position, we add cheese to those breadsticks, stretch it forward. That's right. And our last position, fifth position, we make one giant breadstick. That's it. Are you ready to dance? We are going to dance along with some music, so follow along as best you can and try to remember all 5 positions. Let's start with our first position. Here we go. Make that cheese pizza. Stand up nice and tall and hold it right here. That's perfect. Second position, add those toppings. That's right. Third position, make that T. Good job. Fourth position, stretch that cheese. Last one, fifth position, one giant breadstick. Okay, everybody, we're gonna go a little bit faster. Follow along and see if you can keep up. Starting with first position, here we go. First position, second position, third position, fourth position, and fifth position. Woo, you're doing such a great job. Can we try going a little bit faster? One more time. Starting in first position, here we go. First and second, third, fourth, and fifth. Let's do that one more time, friends. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Friend, you did it. You earned your very last thing, your soda. We now have everything you need to eat your pizza. Can you eat your pretend pizza with me? Yummy. Remember to practice, practice, practice your pizza and your breadsticks. All the positions that we learned today so that we can move on to our next lesson next time. Happy dancing!